Kamigla State Olympic Association negasngi kelalet bakan IT ya kakai pot jingplut ya pisa habede bak jingpelong jangka ya ke lempung ba ilakai badon khat atli ki disciplines Kamigla Games ya ke kopi jongani kakai pot ke belapen biang pha nadong shadong gerukom pendut pensep ya ke pisa ke MSUE kelalet ban IT da working president ba John F Kharchiang ba general secretary u Chiranjip Chaudhary how ministry bade khmi sports new affairs Pak Bantai Dor Lingdo rengkat kejing Don Lang ke Director Ketenat Kong WAM Booth. Kini kejing IT dah ke MSUE kalong artat komisi benta ban kintu ya Ketenat ban nyerap hagaban pelait lut no ya baru kepisah ke bala dep pakan pak kenam ke MSUE kan la ban pelait pai ba ya kibil ke bala pelut kerpang hagaban pelong ya kini kelempung ilakai. Kamigla State Olympic Association kelai selok lang Bakatanat Sports jong Sarkar Jela habede bagi Special Operations Procedure neki SOP ki Bakatanat kala pelai pai ba nakam ta ki jinglia kai bametaku paramet neki contact sports bat ki indirect non contact sports ya kani ki jingya selok la pelong ne kasngi hadin banak liang ka MSUE la mikmat the working president ba John F Kharchiang ba General Secretary Chiranjip Chaudhary Kajing is lokalong baduba Bantai Dor Lingdo u menteri berdekmi kena sports new affairs bad beladon lang director ketenat kong WAM Booth. Hakini kajing is lok nakaliang uba Bantai Dor Lingdo ulaong ba kajing kmi bnya biang yaki SOP ba ketenat kala penbena haka khat ritrik brai jelio menta kasnem an sa syong bishar bnya biang haka bekut jong unailar menta kasnem Dakaba on kmi bnya biang yak kai pot ban pelai da ketenat jong ke Indian Council of Medical Research ni ICMR.
Taksi ni wan ban submit ya ka report jong ka Megla Games Arajar ka khandai arpo. We submitted the report no ya ka yo sports minister officially department ni la dem ai. Te ni wan ya submit ya report ka ni ngatai. Kaba nomor ba ka khang san ka tuka ayu no bat nilai keren rukat ni sepang ka future of sports po Meghalaya te as of now kumbakalong benta kamut ngimpak la banle kumnu ru wala ka government kala issue ya ka SOP government issued SOP on 16 June, notified. This is non-contact sports. Archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, and athletics. Tangba athletics also, which does not require use of equipment. Only track. Athletics only track. So these are kini non-contact sports. Archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, and athletics, simply. Indirect contact sports, golf, lawn tennis, and badminton. Indirect contact sports. Kini ru kadon ka condition pa. Basically, what the SOP says is you can train individually without sharing equipment. You can train individually. The competition gini kita berhad subject to SOP to be issued by the deputy commissioner because they are the nodal officers for the SOP for any activity. Which is not easy. Namar use of any venue ni have your jingbit from the kibapet yang tu ka ibu. So kata ragu kijing bahap use lada dan kam ban penukam ka madan gani katai hab ya keren bagi rambak sedong. So each association we ni habbo ika COVID task committee sanitizing procedure. So a lot of conditions. So as of now kampak dan denti kan bangin le menuru kumbalong mentah kamu ngin hab hadu unai let's say bakin review biang kau unai awas
kamu kumbalong mentah gini dia ka 4 lah berpunya cuma
4 lah simet lah ban practice bokak mare bokak ban nangkilan met meroi kalau re as a team it is not yet possible because you have to put in place so many other Habu bun kike ka COVID task committee habyo jingbit na rambashno for that use of that stadium or use of that. Then we have to get permission from the deputy commissioner, respective deputy commissioner. So there is competition is not yet allowed. Training, we may, individually, maroi lawan practice. Nipala ali kumnu nomor ba ka what ka Olympic ru dah hap senge. Bon kini ki world championship kilapan senge. Dai. It is a challenge kadeka jing kabisir kaiba kumbalong mata ya baro ki noin akai. It's a big challenge for all the sports persons globally. Baro way pertai. Unless kami ka dawai ka vaksin ka bapentikna. No? Unless the vaccine is there, then I don't know. Ngamla ban kumno kan long. Hadu menta ka government of India ro ko ba kita review biang how banai August. The government make clear kita review biang how banai August. So whatever the notification government of Meghalaya has issued, dai itu ki SOP ki long ba, kamde ka basuk eh. Namar ngihap nakam ki stadium ngihap nakam gini kita i. Dengar kamde ka ba eh. We are all bound by the SOP issued by the ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. Tiki state government ru ki hak apa kita ki guideline. Tengim lah wanyai palat nakata. We cannot go beyond we have no authority but go beyond that. Unless the ICMR amend the guideline, then only we can do. In other countries, yes, you are right. Kielek ka football. But then they are also facing a lot of challenges. So similarly, government has issued that archery, shooting, cycling, fencing, athletics. Athletics also only track. So without the use of equipment, sharing of equipment, we cannot share. So kini kilong KGA kiba lada ka ICMR kam amend ya ki guideline bakal asengai. Ka ban pelong gini ki action ki habak ni ka danru ka consent form ba way unong akai un hap soi ka consent form ba nga menjur na syai pun bakla sya ka government ban ni akai kalau tatu khipang man ka pur man kata Jepang te kalong ka wara ji nya berfat te ki bon ki guideline ni bat ka bakadu kumba omene kalong ni hab yo ya ka clearance na ki respective deputy commissioner in the respective district.